We are here getting a first look at a brand new bunkhouse travel trailer floor plan from Jayco for 2025 that isn't too over the top or anything, but has everything that I think you're gonna want in a beginner entry-level camper, or just maybe downsizing to something that's simple but gonna get the job done for you. Let's go take a look. Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and we are here getting a first look at the Jayco Jay Flight SLX series for 2025, and this is a brand new floor plan for 2025. So you'll be able to see the floor plan layout here, plus some specs on the screen. This is the 263 BHS, and the bathroom and the hidden pantry, definitely two things that stand out. Also the closet in the bedroom, very impressive. It's really just gonna have everything that you need. It's a new double axle SLX travel trailer. Hidden pantry, pretty cool. Bedroom closet, pretty cool. Like I said, didn't even need these notes to notice, like, wow, those are some neat things that they did with this floor plan. Real wood cabinet doors and drawers, and an outside refrigerator and spray port are all noted things on here. Now, this is an aluminum sided, wood framed travel trailer. So you can see down underneath here, you can see that wood framing. And then you have that passenger storage compartment. 20-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack. This aluminum siding here is gonna make this more of an entry-level travel trailer, and something like this travel trailer here usually sits right around like $30,000, maybe $35,000 is typically the price on something this size. Now that's kind of an estimate, as this is a new 2025, so make sure to know that there's a link down below in the comments and description of this video where you can find up-to-date pricing information and all of the available inventory that we have across the United States with Blue Compass RV, as we have over 100 different stores in 33 different states that you can check out, and these 2025 models will be coming available here real soon. You should be seeing them pop up at dealership lots, or you can always order something like this. Now you also have an outdoor entertainment space on this travel trailer, so you can see this drawer here that will open up. You have this drawer here, really just giving you some outside storage, and then you will have your little mini refrigerator right there. You also have this blue LED light that will turn on, and an outlet right up here that you could plug in a phone or something like that. Looking at the exact specs on this travel trailer before we head inside, this is 32 feet 6 inches long, and the unloaded vehicle weight rating with the propane bottles full is 6,356 pounds with a 1,244 pound cargo carrying capacity. That is going to get you right around a gross vehicle weight rating of about 7,600 pounds. Now, with the weight of this trailer, I would say that it's, pretty much going to fall into like a half-ton towable segment for a lot of modern half-ton trucks like a F-150 or a Ram 1500 or something like that. However, you have to be mindful of the payload capacity, because the hitch weight on something like this can easily get up to 700, 800 pounds, and you don't want to overload the cargo capacity or payload capacity on your truck if you are going to tow with a half-ton truck. So just be mindful of what your specs are and metrics are on your truck before you go towing something like this, because I have seen people towing campers like this exact size with half-ton trucks, and those trailers flipping or just, dragging their truck off the road in the right conditions, or really should say the wrong conditions. So you really just want to be mindful of that. Always want to keep you safe, and never hurts for me to recommend towing with a 3/4 ton truck. Now, as we step inside here, you can see how open the floor space is. It's not too, crazy of a floor plan layout for a bunkhouse travel trailer. You have your kitchen space, but what really stands out, obviously, is this pantry. And then you can see here, you have this spot that cables can run through, so all your TV connections are back here. So if you do want to do a TV in your camper, a lot of the campers that are aluminum sided like this will not come with a TV, so they give you the option to place one if you would like, or if you don't need it, then you don't need it, and you don't have to pay for it. And I kind of like that, because I think for me personally, I could easily get by without having a TV in my camper, but I know everybody has different circumstances with that. So huge door here. The pantry is just amazing. Look at all the shelving that you get back through here. Very, very impressive space. I haven't seen a hidden pantry with quite that much storage. I mean, that is really well executed in my opinion. And then as we turn back around this way, you can see your bunks in the corner. You have your ladder to get up onto the bunk beds. These bunks are about 6'4" in length or so. So nice space there. I'm 6'2" and can easily sleep in these bunk beds. They don't have any privacy curtains, so that's something you may want to be aware of if that is a necessity that you need. And let's see here. You do have storage space up underneath this bunk right there. Then you have your bathroom on this end of the camper, so very easy for the kids to get to the bathroom, which I think is nice. If your kids need to get out of bed and use the bathroom in the middle of the night, they don't have a long walk across the camper to get to the bathroom. It does have a plastic foot flush toilet. Now there is plenty of room here. It doesn't look like there would be, but there actually is a decent amount of shoulder space there. And you get a tub in this travel trailer. So if you've been looking for something with a tub to either soak your kids or to, wash your dog or whatever it may be, here is your option that gives you a tub, and you have great ceiling height in here. You can see that I am 6'2", and look at how much room I have to the ceiling. So when I actually step up into this tub, you can see here, the ceiling height is right at about 6'2" at the shortest point, which is crazy. And then you have the skylight here. You could be about 6'5" and fit in this shower. In a stick and tin travel trailer like this, to be able to have a shower that is this big, this is, killer. There are so many travel trailers this will compete with where I have to squat in the shower, and it's not nearly this nice. So I love this. This is really well done, very well executed in my opinion. So you let me know what you think about that down below in the comments, but I am thrilled about how much space you have in that bathroom. Now again, it is a plastic foot flush toilet, so saving some weight there, not going porcelain. You have the adjustable shower height, or not adjustable height shower, but you have the removable shower head so you can take that out. And that skylight there giving you all that extra space. No vent fan in the bathroom. It does just open up to let air kind of breeze out of there. You can see your bunk capacities here. So your double bunks are rated for 600 pounds. So 600 pounds a piece for each of these bunk beds there. Can easily sleep 2 grown adults in a lot of circumstances. USB ports, although I feel like RV manufacturers need to go away from these and go to the USB Type-C connections across the board. I have hardly any cables like this left for myself personally, because hardly anything comes with those types of cables anymore. You have outlets here, and then as we turn around this way, as soon as you walked in the camper, you have storage space through here. Look at how far back that goes. That is just beautiful. No floor vents for your heating, all run underneath the cabinetry. You have outlets, USB ports there, slide out controls, awning controls, and light switch controls, and tank levels for your water tanks. It does have a wrapped countertop material. So not a solid surface countertop, going to be a wrapped countertop. Spot here for some sponges. Pull out drawers here, you have 2 of those. And then you have storage space here through that area there. You have a dual basin plastic sink. You have a 3-burner gas stove and a standard RV size oven. Storage space underneath the oven, actually just kidding, you have breakers and fuses. I think that's why we see this big drawer right here for your pots and pans. Has this Envision product lineup for all of your kitchen appliances, and this really emphasizes the refrigerator space. So you get an 11 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer and tons of space in there. Standard RV size microwave. It does have a vent fan that vents out smells while you're cooking right here, so you can see that vent fan there. And then as we turn around this way, you have your dining table here. It does have legs in the dining table, but you can take those out, set the table down, turn this into a bed if you would like. It is now cloth furniture, so no more pleather. They have gone to cloth, and it is so soft. I just love the way that feels. I think you're gonna love it too. And then right here you have, if y'all see this in person too, let me know what you think and how you feel about the furniture. Down underneath here, you can see storage space, access right there. And then this is just a jackknife sofa with an armrest that flips down. So this will lay flat into a bed, just like so. On your windows, you have pull-down black pleated shades, pretty standard for these types of travel trailers. And then as we go back to the bedroom, sliding door for your privacy. And then it has what looks like an actual queen-size bed. Wow, I think that is a true queen-size bed. I'm gonna lay down in it in just a second. You have wardrobe storage here, storage up above. Nice bedside table space. I'm gonna lay down on it. Oh my gosh, it's a memory foam mattress, y'all. We got a memory foam mattress, and that is an actual queen-size bed, I think, because my feet are not even close to hanging off. So that has got to be 80 inches long. Wow, that is nice. A lot of travel trailers like this also don't have true queen-size beds all the time, so love that. And then finally, you got your wardrobe storage here. You can see that spot to hang your clothes there. Let me come around this side, actually. Try not to spin you around too quickly. And you've got a spot for a TV on the wall, your solar charge controller, and you're going to have storage up underneath the bed that is strut assisted, so that will stay up on its own. outlets on both sides of the bed. And then that is pretty much everything on the inside. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Again, this is a brand new first look at the 2025 model. I don't have exact pricing information, but hopefully as of posting this video, there may be some that we have gotten with Blue Compass that are now on a lot show floor or showroom or whatever you want to call it, where we can actually get some real pricing. So that link will be down below in the comments and description of this video for you to take a look at that. And if we don't have anything yet, they will be coming soon. And there's likely some 2024 models for us to take a look at as well. As we go along to the back, you have the spot to attach the Lippert retractable ladder. That will be an additional ladder that you can purchase to use on this camper. Have a tankless on-demand water heater. Looks like you have a spray port right here to get a water source back on the back side. Spare tire along the back. You have your bumper where you can store your sewer hose here through the bumper. Manual stabilizers down underneath here. Fully enclosed underbelly, so all your water tanks and water lines sit above that enclosed underbelly. And you can see the dump station right there, so your black and gray tank for that bathroom will dump out right here. Plus it looks like your gray tank for the kitchen sink also will make its way over there. You have your outdoor shower on this side, plus your water connections. You have a cable input there if you want to hook up a cable connection. And there should be 200 watts of solar up here on the roof. That'll be standard. And then again, your pass-through storage compartment. So that just about wraps up everything on this Jayco Jay Flight trailer. Let me hop over to the other side here for you and wrap this thing up. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Again, there's a link down below in the comments and description where you can find locations across the US where you can find this RV with Blue Compass, and we're here to help when you're ready. That's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.